One of the things, probably the biggest thing I love about Joyland is their investment in not only personal growth, but also growth professionally.
The leadership here is I think is really great. It's not something I've experienced elsewhere.
Yesterday I had an entire pizza.
I think Joyland is a great place to work. There's a great team spirit here.
So we have fun both at work and outside of work.
I want to have 13 kids.
There's a lot of camaraderie within the company. We all get along great.
I don't think Brady deserves all the credit for his success. I think Bill Belichick is even more instrumental to New England's success the last 2 decades than Tom Brady.
It's a great place. It's a great company. I enjoy working with the guys.
It's a great place to become part of the team, and it's a great place to develop yourself.
Yeah, and there was that one day I shingled 3 houses all by myself. Shoes I'm wearing I've had for about 3 years. I bought them at Shoe Depot. Got a good deal for them. I got a lot of compliments on them as soon as I got them. I have the best tool belt in the whole company. It took me about 2 years to collect. It's all leather. I bought each individual pouch 2 years apart and a belt. Very expensive. I won't get into it, but yeah, definitely a lot better than any of the other guys' tools. Longhorn makes a pretty good ribeye. They call it their outlaw ribeye. It's like an 18 ounce.